All right, we got some food for Reba. This is a high vitamin A dose, high retinol from animals. We have some eggs with the egg yolks, of course, as you can see the yellow in there. And we have beef liver, which we just have a small amount because we have to worry about the high copper levels for the dogs. But any animal liver should be fine as long as it doesn't have super high copper. If it does, just add less. High vitamin A for Reba's eyes. At this age, when she's 17 years old, it makes a big difference to make sure she's getting all of her nutrients.